Let's talk about 6 modern sales tools that you can use to stand out and close more deals. Sales tool number 1 is video conferencing. Use a video conferencing tool to have video conversations with your leads and prospects. Use a tool like Zoom. Zoom's a product that we've used. It works great. There's other tools out there like it, but basically what it allows you to do is send a calendar invite for an upcoming meeting, and it's a video meeting so that you have a face-to-face conversation, particularly if you're working prospects that are outside of your area. Maybe they don't have time to come to a face-to-face meeting. A video conference makes it feel like a face-to-face meeting. It's very personal, and that just gives you that little bit of trust, that element of trust, and it makes you look like a modern salesperson, which is what you need really to close more deals. Tip 2 is test using video emails. That can be really effective as well. A tool that we're using right now is BombBomb. It allows you to basically send an email to somebody, and when they get the email, it's literally like a video of you talking to them. They click it and they can hear what you're saying. It's just more engaging, right? It's different than what they typically see coming to them from other people that they might be working with, other salespeople they might be talking to. It makes you just look that much different, more modern, and close more deals. Tool 3 for your tool belt is direct messaging on social media. This is a new way to communicate. A lot of people actually prefer to communicate this way these days, especially the younger crowd. For example, I have a daughter, and basically the only way she communicates is messaging on social media. That's literally it. I don't think she even has an email, which is crazy, but that's the way that it's going. So maybe your prospect doesn't prefer to have a call or an email. They prefer you to message them on social media. So think about that. If they're using social media, if you see them on LinkedIn, on there a lot, using it a lot, they probably like to communicate that way, so give it a shot. Maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Facebook, whatever it is. If you see them active there, try messaging them there. Maybe they prefer to communicate that way, and if you're doing that and the other salespeople they're talking to aren't, you're gonna stand out and close that deal. Tool 4 is to use text message communications as well, not just email and phone call. Maybe they prefer text messages. A lot of people actually prefer to communicate this way these days via text as opposed to a phone call. So try texting your leads instead of calling them or emailing them. Try texting them. Use a tool like Google Voice. There's also a ton of other tools out there that allow you to do this. Basically lets you just do text messaging. If you use your cell phone to close deals, that's easy, right? Just text through your cell phone. But this allows people to see that you're communicating to them in a way that they prefer, which is going to give you the benefit over the doubt over the salesperson that's just continually calling them, right? They're going to respond to you via text, and you're going to close that deal. Tool number 5 is to use a sales CRM. Maybe you have one now, great. If you don't, take a look at it. Don't use spreadsheets and manage through, literally note-taking or your email inbox. These aren't great ways to manage your sales pipeline. Use a CRM where you can manage all your leads in one place. You can adjust the statuses of those leads, so you can call your hot leads, your warm leads, your cold leads, whatever you want to call it. You can have all the fields of information that you want to store there. You can build lists, you can send emails, you can do all these things with the CRM so you're more organized and you can close your pipeline at a higher rate. So check out CRMs. There's tons of them out there. Marketing 360 has a free CRM you can use. If you're looking at a sales CRM, it's a great product for that. But take a look at that, get organized. It's a key to success in sales. Tool number 6 is to use digital gift cards. Give it a shot. Giving your prospect a gift oftentimes opens the door to closing a deal. So check out giftcard.com. It has a lot of great e-cards, which is awesome. It's super easy for you. It literally takes you minutes to pick a gift card that your prospect might like and send it to them. There's tons of options there, anything from restaurants to even men's and women's package deal gift cards. There's things for travel on there, all kinds of stuff. If your prospect has kind of shed some light on things that they're interested in, you can probably find a card that's specific to that and send it to them. It's gonna win the deal, because if the other salespeople that they're talking to aren't doing these things, then who's gonna have the advantage? It's gonna be you. So try using digital gift cards, because it's so easy and so fast, and it goes straight to their inbox. You don't even have to wait for the mail. You can send a gift card this morning, call back this afternoon, and probably close the deal. So that's it. 6 modern tools that you can use today to close deals tomorrow in the sales world. Check them out, give them a test, see if it helps your sales process, and hope you close more deals in the process. That's it. Hopefully you liked the video. Like it, share it with your friends. Leave a comment with some more tools that I missed today. If there's some tools that you're using that are just crushing it for you, leave it in the comments. We'd love to see it, and so would everybody else. Happy marketing and have a good day.